It looks so weird. Greetings, fellow travelers and coaster enthusiasts and riders. We are at Carowinds, where the Carolinas meet. North Carolina and South Carolina are both in this park, so you can have one foot in one state and the other foot in the other. We'll probably do that in a separate video, but up next is gonna be the Ricochet. It's right up there. I hear this is one of the wildest wild mouse coasters there are. Very underrated, I was told, and it's a nice ride, exciting ride, so we'll bring you on board. I think the entrance is right over here, Becky, so we'll go up there. I'll bring you on for point of view, and we'll see you in just a few when we get on the coaster. See you up there. We'll put our hats in the bin.
Yeah.
So they do have bins, that's awesome.
That's nice.
Put my sunglasses in there. All right. Okay. They got a lap belt right here, and they got this little bitty waist belt. Okay, Becky, are you in?
Oh, there it is.
Make sure you're locked in and everything's secure. Secure all hats and glasses.
Woo.
And this is Ricochet. I hear this is rough, so prepare yourself.
Oh, nice.
It's supposed to be an awesome little ride, but let's give it a go. Oh boy. This could be a rockin' and a roller, I don't know. I know the right angle turns on this are just supposed to be insane. Like it doesn't tilt, so it's gonna throw you like side to side, so kind of stay like loosey-goosey, you know? And oh, there's Fury. She's not up yet, but oh! Whoa! Hopefully she will be by my birthday!
Ah!
Woo!
Going right into you.
Oh, mercy! Oh, this is like a tilt-a-whirl.
Oh,
What a coaster!
Woo!
Oh! Well, you see that catch plate there? That makes you nervous!
Oh my gosh.
Oh! Oh, okay. That brake run was rough. I'm not gonna say.
Go down it.
Oh! What are we doing? A little helix here?
Oh my
Oh
gosh.
no! Wow, that was a left hip slam there. Gotta watch that inner bar, everybody.
We got a trap.
Oh no. Hands up! Woo! I gotta say, if this is in the backyard, I'd ride it all the time.
Woo! Oh my god. Make it hot here.
Okay.
Woo!
So let's. Oh, right there. You got to prepare
Dang.
yourself. Oh, that was the worst brake run stop. That was a belly shot.
Oh.
It was a belly shot at the end. So, okay. So, Mr. Beast, if you're out there and you do a contest to see how many times people can ride this sucker, I'm probably gonna bail out after. I don't know. It depends on the dollar amount, I guess. But what do you think? I don't know. I can do more than 20 times. Maybe 25 if I piled up.
Maybe.
But
If like you had
for a one-off, it's a great little ride.
Yeah.
We'll just talk about it. Watch this inner bar right here. This
Yes.
sucker's got a little bit of meat, and sliding to the right's not bad. So what I'd recommend is taking that hand and just kind of put it in your inner thigh area and block that bar. And really, it's a nice little ride. So we'll see you here in just a second, and we'll see what Becky thinks. See you for the review. Stick with us. I think we just wait and then they let us out. That was a walk-on. I really enjoyed it. I thought it was nice. Boy, it's hot. I'm already sweating. We weren't in that sun with our hats off more than 2 minutes.
I feel like I'm drenched.
It's like 110. They really need to turn the water fountains back on. Good grief.
We have to find a train station.
I wanted to see. Thank you. I wanted to see what the local water tasted like. Branson was good. Hats and glasses. Perfect, thank you. Oh, appreciate it. After you, Becky. After you. All right, that's gonna wrap up Ricochet. What did you think of the ride?
Definitely fast around the turns there. I definitely liked it though. Wasn't expecting some of those bunny hills at the end, but overall definitely liked it.
It's a fun little mouse coaster. Just have your like hand on your inner thigh or whichever side you're sitting on next to that middle bar. There they go. And it's a great little ride. Just kind of stay loosey-goosey and just be prepared for the turns and twists. I don't know how many times I could ride that thing, but I could definitely ride it a couple of times. So great little ride. Check that one out. And we'll see you for the next ride and review. Bye, everybody.